Well, I ended up becoming a part of VAXT because Dr. Wakefield was looking for an African American family. So James, my good friend James, he called me and he said that he had received a call from his publisher who
Good
said that he had
afternoon.
met with Andy and he was looking for an African American family. He said he thought about me because he had written a story about me and he wanted to know if he could give him my phone number. I said, sure. So I gave him my phone number. Andy called me and he told me what he was doing. And initially, he told me it was going to be a documentary and that he was going to be using it for fundraising purposes and on the Autism Media Channel. I told him, fine. I would gladly do it because I've talked about my story over and over. He told me that he had heard that, and I reminded him he didn't remember when I was displaced for Katrina. I went to Austin, and I didn't know that he was there. I'd been so busy working, putting a school together, and trying to figure and educating myself about how to educate my own child. I never even knew about Dr. Wakefield. I really didn't. So when I got to Austin in '05 is when I found out about Dr. Wakefield. I was in the dark ages. Thoughtful House sponsored um, a theater night at this local theater, and I went, and he was there. And I talk a lot, as you can see. So I went up to him and I told him my story after I found out why he was in America and what he had done in 1998. But he didn't remember, which is okay. So he and Polly came to New Orleans and spent about 3 hours with us and just asking me questions about what had happened. And I told him what had happened, asking me how I felt about what had happened because someone had asked me if there was a script, but there was no script. We were just talking casually like I'm talking to you. And that's how it ended up becoming a part of Vaxxed.